How to access Proquest. First, you have to search www.proquest.com. To access Proquest, begin with the Proquest homepage and click Login through your library. And click More Access Options. And here where you can put the username and password. The username is umakati in capital letters and the password is Proquest2020+. Then click Login. Once you are already in the database, the full text checkbox is selected by default. Checking this box ensures that all your search results will be available in full text. If your instructor may require you to peer-reviewed work in your research, check the peer-reviewed box to include only results from peer-reviewed journals. There are couples of options for searching: basic and advanced search. Both will allow you to narrow your search to full text and peer-reviewed articles. Let's try to search on basic search first. Enter your search term. We are searching the term psychology. Notice as you type, suggested search term appear in a drop-down menu. You may select one of these by clicking on it. Otherwise, you can continue to search by clicking the magnifying glass icon or hitting the Enter key. This search brought up a large number of results. To bring this down to a more manageable number, if you look to the left side of the screen, you will see the other ways to narrow down the results. Let's narrow it down by publication date and document type. If you want to limit your results to the most recent articles, you can click right here, whether you want from the last 12 months, last 5 years, or last 10 years. You can also custom the date range. And click Document Type to choose what document type you want. As you can see, the search result decreases. This can be narrowed down further by selecting more options. Once you can narrow down the results, review the articles to see which will help with your research by clicking a preview. And you can read the abstract and see subject terms for the article. If the article fits what you are looking for, click the Save as PDF for you to download. You can also click All Options for more save options. One last tip: if you noticed, to the right side of the screen, there is a button called Cite. This will bring up a window with a drop-down menu listing various citation styles. You can select the style that you need, then cut and paste the citation to your bibliography. However, do double-check the citations because sometimes there may be a slight error in it. Let's proceed to advanced search. The advanced search will give you more options to narrow down your search. For instance, a search can be narrowed by language or document type. You can also use these options to narrow a search later. Use the advanced search to create a search with specific fields and other options. To view available database-specific search fields, select the database. Check the boxes for the databases you wish to search. Enter the search terms of your search in the boxes. You can restrict your search field into a specific field in your drop-down menu on each row. If you select Subject Heading Main Subject, use the Look Up link to find preferred terms when searching specific fields. You can also use a thesaurus to find subject headings of relevance. Select the publication date range for your search. Limit your search by source type or other options. When you are searching, use Boolean search to allow you to combine keywords with operators or modifiers to further produce more relevant results. You use OR if you're looking for documents that contain any of your words or phrases. So I will search psychology or human behavior. You use OR to broaden your search and get more results. Use AND if you are looking for documents that contain all of your words or phrases. So I will search philosophy and psychology. You use AND to narrow your search and get fewer results. And use NOT if you are looking for documents that contain one of your search terms but not the other. So I will search psychology, not physiology. You use NOT to exclude specific search terms so the query will not return with that term. Hopefully, it gave you the general idea on how to search the Proquest database. If you have any questions or concerns, just contact us, Huyuma Librarians. We are happy to assist you in your research. Now, it's your turn to do your research in Proquest database.